Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to present our study case on fossil. Before we start, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Wan Muhammad Arif Darwish bin Wan Abil Manan. My metric number is 10 DPM 25F 1025.
And my name is Amir Rashdan bin Muhammad Rizal. My matrix number is 10 DPM 25 1037.
Okay, my name is Adan Zafri bin Zulkifli. My matric number is 10 DPM 25F 1087. First of all, I would like to tell you a little about Fossil. Fossil, found in 1984 by Tom Karsotis, is an American brand known for its fashion-forward and affordable watches and accessories. Inspired by nostalgic 1930 to 1950 vintage acts and American creativity. Driven by a passion for creativity, craftsmanship, and innovation, Fossil design and markets a diverse portfolio of owned and licensed brands. Its offerings include traditional watches, smartwatches, handbags, small leather goods, jewelry, and other fashion accessories, all created with a focus on quality and individuality. At the heart of Fossil is a dedication to timeless design. Whether it's a vintage-inspired watch or a cutting-edge wearable, every product reflects the brand's mission to make fashion accessible, personal, and forward-thinking. By combining style with function, Fossil has become a trusted name across generations, where tradition meets innovation, from classic leather watches to smart innovations. Fossil Group stands as a symbol of authenticity, creativity, and enduring style.
Next, I would like to walk you through market segmentation of Fossil. Fossil segmentates their product through demographic and psychographic segmentation. For demographic segmentation, Fossil's products are priced and styled for specific age, gender, income, and occupation. For age, the core focus is 18 to 35 years, which is young adults and millennials. Next, secondary focus is 35 to 50 years, which is professionals seeking style and functionality. For gender, Fossil offers gender-specific watches, bags, and jewelry. Fossil increases focus on unisex and gender-neutral designs in smartwatches. However, for income, Fossil targets middle to upper middle class consumers through affordable luxury positioning, aspirational but accessible. And finally, for occupation, Fossil targets professionals, entrepreneurs, and business owners. For psychographic segmentation, psychographics help Fossil connect emotionally with its audience, especially in marketing lifestyle products like watches and accessories. For lifestyle, Fossil is designed for tech-savvy but style-conscious individuals who value individuality, fashion, and personal expression, and are interested in classic design with modern innovation. For personality traits, trendsetters, minimalists, urban professionals, and fashion explorers. Finally, motive. Fossil's product aims for functionality and practical use. To fulfill a practical need, which are timekeeping, fitness tracking, and notifications. Why Fossil? Because for smartwatches, whether hybrid or digital, they offer tech features like heart rate monitoring, GPS, and notifications, which combines style with utility. For market targeting, target market segment selection, Fossil uses a differentiated segmented marketing. Fossil has multiple product lines, which are traditional watches, hybrid smartwatches, leather bags, and jewelry. Fossil targets different psychographic and behavioral segments through fashion-conscious youth, tech lovers interested in wearable features, and gift buyers. For product differentiation across segments, each product line has their own target segment and key features. For example, Fossil smartwatches targets young professionals and tech lovers, and the key features are Wear OS, fitness tracking, and phone sync.
Market positioning, product differentiation. Fossil differentiate its watch through a combination of product design, technology, material, pricing, and branding to appeal to a wide range of customer segment. Competitive advantage, distinctive. Fossil watch stand out with fashion-forward design, vintage modern look, and personalization. They don't look generic. They have a recognizable style and brand personality. Superior. Fossil offer great value by combining classic stylish design with modern smartwatch feature at affordable price. This makes Fossil more than just a watch brand. It's a fashionable and practical lifestyle accessory.
For overall positioning strategy, Fossil has chosen more for more as their strategy. Fossil has been enhancing its product offerings to align with a more for more strategy by emphasizing quality and design. Fossil aims to attract consumers willing to pay a premium for stylish and well-crafted products. This focus on product elevation incorporates premium materials and signature design elements to enhance perceived value and elevate the brand's image across watches, leather goods, and jewelry.
In conclusion, Fossil has successfully positioned itself as a global lifestyle brand by combining timeless design with modern innovation. Through its strong brand identity, strategic collaborations, and diversification into smartwatches, Fossil continues to stay relevant in a highly competitive market. However, challenges such as rapid technological change and shifting consumer preferences require the company to keep evolving its marketing and product strategies. By embracing sustainability, enhancing digital engagement, and focusing on customer experience, Fossil can strengthen its market presence and ensure long-term growth in the dynamic fashion and technology industries.
From us, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.